Hey guys, I promised a modern day, messy, fun, little beehive for you guys. So I went ahead and I did it, but I'm actually going to take it all down really quick and then re-show you guys how to do it. So I'm working with day old hair because my hair is ultra fine and it doesn't do anything unless it's been an entire day. So, just know in advance, this look is never going to look the same way twice. So you know that. And it's not supposed to be neat. So what I did was I took my hair and I parted it right where I want my bangs to be. I separated that. And what I did with the rest, you want to take this middle section of your hair and take small sections and tease down. My hair is going to be so crazy big because I've already done this today. So you just keep teasing until you get to about the back of your head, like right here. And then what I usually do is I just spray it really quick. And then I take the side sections and I do the same thing. So essentially you have this really sexy hairdo. So after that, what I do is I kind of take it and I start, because I have such fine hair, I have to kind of break up the teasing so I don't have holes. So I take it and I kind of form the shape that I want, and again, I don't want it to be perfect, so I'm not really worried about a snooky bump. And I take that section in the back and I kind of push up and I pin, and then I take a second bobby pin and I lock it so that they're crisscrossed, so that I know that they're not going anywhere. They're secured into place. So I do the same thing with the opposite side. And then I just kind of spray. So essentially right now what you're going to be dealing with is just this, which is nothing fantastic, but you can church that up and wear it some way if you wanted to wear your hair down in curls or something, but I don't have enough hair for that yet. So, sorry. Next, I'm going to take these side pieces and kind of smooth those back. And I kind of twist the end a little bit. And then just pin. We'll do that with the other side as well. And again, you can make this as big as you want or as subtle as you want. So now maybe I should reverse these. So this is what you're dealing with right now. So now we're going to take these pieces in the back and we're just going to randomly pin them. No rhyme or reason, just pin them because you still want it to be fun and messy. So I'm going to turn. Make sure that you can see me. Alright. So I'm going to take right down in here. And twist it around. And pin it. And the same thing with what's left. And of course, look at it. So now, this is kind of what we see. All right. So that is my version of the everyday, super fast to do, modern day beehive. You can, like I said, church it up however you want. But check it out, try it, let me know how it works. If you have any questions at all, just let me know. Thanks.